Hello friends, welcome to our channel Jobs Notification. If you are new to our channel, on this platform we bring to you all kinds of jobs opening in India and abroad, comprising of both government and private sectors. In this video, we bring to you another job advertisement from Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission. This job advertisement is for the post of Assistant Engineer Electrical Group A in the pay matrix level 10. A total of 15 posts has been advertised. So how to apply for this post? Before filling up the online application, you have to do one-time registration onto the Commission's website, following which you can fill the online application. The eligibility for this job profile is that you should possess Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology in Electrical, Mechanical, Electronics, Telecommunication or Computer. If you are still in your final semester examination, you can still apply for the advertised post. The maximum age limit for this job vacancy is 32 years as of 10th June 2021. Coming to the details of the advertised post, as you can see here, there are a total of 9 posts in electrical engineering stream. Mechanical engineering has total of 5 posts. Electronics, telecommunication, computer engineering has a total of 1 post. The eligible candidates for the advertised post will be selected through written examination, and this written examination will be carried out in 3 different categories. The category 1 will be of electrical engineering, the category 2 mechanical engineering, and the category 3 electronics, telecommunication, computer engineering. In all these 3 categories, the first paper remains the common, which is of general ability test, and in the second section, it is of conventional papers, which is very core to the respective engineering field. The successful candidates of the written examination will be further called for the Viva Voice, and you will be evaluated on a total of 1000 marks. Coming to the documents to be uploaded and or submitted, during the application phase, you need to upload your signature and the recent passport size photo. When you are going to attend the interview, you have to submit your recent passport size photo, 10th, 12th degree certificate, your APST certificate, Aadhaar card, EPIC card, no objection certificate, disability certificate. To apply for this exam, you need to pay 100 rupees if you belong to APST category, and if you are from any other category, you need to apply an online fee of 150 rupees. The last date for submission of this application is 10th of June 2021 till 4 p.m. If you are worried about the syllabus of the examination, you can find the syllabus onto the Commission's website. The links for the advertised post are given in the description box. We wish you all the best. If you like our video and find it informative and helpful, please do like our video, share and comment on it. Also, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to be updated with our forthcoming jobs opening. See you all in our next video with another job update. Till then, take care, stay safe.